Let's remove the pile of stones in the tree. Be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Safety hat. Gloves. Safety harness. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. The vehicle fell into the pit. What should we do? I am the crane. Let me help you lift the vehicle. Yeah! Task completed. I live in a rundown house. I want to build a villa with swimming pool. Truck team, can you help me? No problem. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work! I need to change a hard drill bit. Let's start tearing down the house. Next, we're going to shovel the gravel. I need to change a bucket. Remove the stones to make room for building the new house. This is the dump truck of our fleet. It can carry the broken stones and waste away. The roof needs to be cast with concrete. Now let's start making concrete. Pour materials into the hopper first. Gravel. Sand. Cement. Water. The concrete is well mixed. Connect the pipes and get ready to pour concrete on the roof. Choose a tile and paste it onto the villa. Next, let's install the door and windows of the villa. a big pit first. Use the tiles and paste them onto the swimming pool. Turn the handle to fill the swimming pool with water. Let's start decorating the swimming pool. The swimming pool is completed.